This guide will offer you a feeling of the SXP cost expectation for 2022 to 2030 and its extended development from specialized investigation to crucial cost history. Toward the finish of this survey, an unmistakable picture will arise concerning what's in store as far as how high the costs will go. The fate of SXP will likewise be uncovered to you. A digital money is ready to in no time turn into a well-known resource. The crypto space is good to go to raise a ruckus around town soon. Every venture is concocting exceptional designs to make do and rule on the lookout. We will attempt to respond to these regularly sought clarification on pressing issues. Is SXP a wise venture? How much will SXP be worth in 2025, or how much will SXP be worth in 10 years? Speculating the cost changes and foreseeing what's to come costs is quite an undertaking. Our group is good to go up to dominate up the system as quick as possible. Time to return to business, will we? SXP at present stands at 39 US cents with a market capitalization of $192,247,094, making it rank 145 in the most significant coins list. SXP has a 24-hour volume of $26,630,305, as per value list. The value worth of SXP has changed 2.07% in the past 24 hours. In most recent 7 days, the cost of SXP has a difference in 4.39%. It is restricted to a most extreme stockpile of 497,022,773 coins. SXP Value Forecast 2022. For long-haul SXP cost expectations, fundamental investigation is fundamental. As far as industry benefits, the local symbolic offers a couple. The computerized economy's independence makes it ideal. As dApps and stablecoins create, the organization offers serious programmable installment, strategies, and capacity choices. Quite possibly the normal cost of SXP will ascend to about 61 cents by 2022 on the off chance that more financial backers are drawn to the idea. For 2022, the year can end with a most extreme cost of 68 cents with a base value level of 59 cents. SXP Value Forecast 2023. Apparently by 2023, SXP costs will have arrived at a level like their past all-time high. By 2023, we might expect a typical cost of 89 cents. In the case of everything goes without a hitch, we anticipated the greatest cost of SXP could depend on $1.03 in 2023. Obviously, there are chances that the market will dump after a long bull run, and it is typical for cryptographic money market. SXP Value Expectation 2024. SXP will be viewed as a superior choice, and with the enormous local area SXP cost will contact new highs. The value variances are difficult to anticipate, particularly on the off chance that the market is more bullish or negative than any time in recent memory. For the year 2024, the cost of SXP will be nearly $1.27. The greatest value that we can get is $1.52. SXP normal cost estimate toward the finish of 2024 can be around $1.31. A gigantic value turnover is normal inside the reach characterized by the crypto market. SXP Value Expectation 2025. SXP have enormous potential, with specific coordinated efforts and advancements might build the quantity of clients and potion. In the event that the market focuses on putting resources into SXP, the cost could ascend a lot higher. By 2025, it can arrive at a greatest worth of $2.18. It is normal that the SXP will pivot a tad assuming the market goes down. The year 2025 can end with a typical cost of $1.90 with a base cost of $1.83 and the most extreme cost of $2.18. SXP Value Expectation 2026. SXP present value reach could intrigue numerous dealers, and along these lines, SXP can reach $3.19 by 2026 with significant collaboration with monetary organizations, assuming the accompanying prerequisites are satisfied. With a typical cost of $2.78 for 2026, it can be the most recent value pattern to arrive at new highs. The value slogan can shift as the crypto market can see one more bullish pattern en route to 2026. SXP Value Forecast 2027. A consistent way to deal with this cash might be tracked down on numerous sites and discussions. According to this expectation stage, SXP will consistent at its ongoing cost from here onward, indefinitely. By 2027, the SXP is supposed to merit a most extreme worth of $4.68. The base cost can go up to $4.05 on the off chance that the market gets bullish. SXP Value Expectation 2028. There are signs that the crypto market is going to enter another age. Sure that the drawn-out cost expectation at SXP's cost will take off, since there is still good faith that the money will draw on substantially more consideration. The year 2028 can end with a typical cost of $6.23 and a base value worth of $6.02. The greatest cost is supposed to exchange around $7.08. SXP Value Forecast 2029. In 2029, with more reception and organizations between other significant blockchain networks, the cost of SXP would soar. The greatest exchanging cost might reach $10.69 in 2029. The cost ranges will be exceptionally stylish, assuming we keep it that way. In the case of everything works out in a good way, we can expect a typical cost of $8.96 with the greatest costs of $10.69 for 2029. SXP Value Expectation 2030. Unpredictability drives the cryptographic money market. Today, it isn't not difficult to figure and stay aware of the ongoing evaluating. Numerous crypto experts become possibly the most important factor in such manner. The evaluating conjectures are right for the referenced years. Crypto shoppers are as yet worried about the crypto boycotts and new imitations. SXP cost might cross $14.87 on the off chance that the market sees a decent bull run in 2030. Considering that it is normal to be held by long-haul financial backers, its typical cost for 2030 will be around $13.02. SXP Value Forecast 2031. The SXP worth will build in view of the endeavors of the organization designers and local area financial backers. Subsequently, the determined cost for the year 2031 is bullish. SXP was expected to contact a greatest value level of $22.12 toward the finish of 2031, as per examiners. Then again, it is exceptionally hopeful that the SXP